It's been a while since we heard anything new about the Tesla Semi, right? But now, out of the blue, Tesla has dropped a bombshell of updates, and it's got truckers, investors, and tech fans buzzing again. After years of silence and delays, Tesla is finally pulling the curtains back on their all-electric big rig, and it's more than just hype. It's shaping up to be a serious contender in the trucking world. Let's rewind a bit. The Tesla Semi was first revealed nearly 8 years ago. The world got its first glimpse of the futuristic truck, and excitement skyrocketed. People were blown away by its sleek design and ambitious promises: 500 miles of range on a full load, insane torque, and whisper-quiet operation. A delivery event even happened about 3 years ago. But after that, radio silence. The latest video footage before now was over 2 years old, and the project seemed to vanish from the spotlight. So what happened? Well, according to many Tesla watchers, the Cybertruck stole the show. Elon Musk was so focused on that edgy, armored-looking pickup that other projects, including the Semi, took a backseat. Add to that the lack of infrastructure. Tesla didn't have enough megachargers set up, their Nevada factory wasn't ready for mass production, and the battery supply chain was under heavy stress. Between those hurdles and the complexity of breaking into the trucking industry, the Semi got stuck in neutral for a while. But now, all that's changing. Tesla is back in the driver's seat with the Semi, and they're not just restarting the engine, they're going full throttle. At the recent ACT Expo, one of the biggest clean transportation events out there, Dan Priestley from Tesla took the stage to reveal a flood of exciting updates. And from the sound of it, this isn't just a relaunch, it's a total transformation. Let's start with the factory. Tesla is currently building out a massive facility in Nevada, 1.7 million square feet of industrial muscle. While the building shell is already up, the interior is now being prepped for production equipment. That changes this year. Tesla plans to bring in all the necessary tools, calibrate production lines, and get the assembly process humming. The first new semis are expected to roll off the line by the end of the year, with a full production ramp-up through 2026. Once it's operating at full speed, this factory will be capable of producing 50,000 semis per year. That's a bold number, and one that signals Tesla isn't here to play. Now, let's talk design changes. Priestley explained that Tesla has been refining the truck using real-world feedback. One major revision? The mirrors. The early prototypes used sleek digital side cameras instead of physical mirrors to reduce drag. While futuristic, many truckers weren't sold on the idea. They said the screens made it harder to reverse or change lanes safely. So Tesla listened. They're bringing back physical side mirrors, but with a twist. These new mirrors are designed for improved visibility and are shaped to preserve aerodynamics. There's also a new drop glass window feature, designed with practicality in mind. Drivers who deal with tight gate access or need to communicate at docks asked for it, and Tesla delivered. It's a small change that shows Tesla is serious about making this truck work not just on paper, but in real-world trucking scenarios. And don't worry, the Semi is still aerodynamic as hell. From the very beginning, Tesla designed the Semi like a bullet. Literally. Inspired by Japan's high-speed Shinkansen trains, the Semi sports a drag coefficient of just 0.36. For comparison, most traditional diesel trucks drag around a coefficient of 0.8 or higher. Tesla's rounded nose, flush underbody, and tight cab-to-trailer gap allow it to slice through the air with incredible efficiency. This means more miles per charge, lower operating costs, and less fatigue on the electric drivetrain. Now, let's dive into the battery. Tesla has introduced a brand new battery pack called the HV pack, possibly short for high voltage. This isn't the much-discussed 4680 battery that's used in the Cybertruck. Instead, it's something different, something tailored specifically for the Semi. It delivers the same 500-mile range that Tesla originally promised but uses less energy. That's right. Thanks to a 7% bump in efficiency, the Semi can travel the same distance while being more energy-savvy and cost-effective to build. Charging was another major concern, and Tesla's answer is jaw-dropping. For long-haul trucking, charging needs to be fast and powerful. Tesla unveiled their Megawatt charging system, capable of adding about 350 miles of range in just 30 minutes. This isn't just impressive, it's essential. And they're already planning the next step, a 1.2 to 2 megawatt charger based on their new V4 supercharger architecture. These chargers will be modular, scalable, and designed to take up 50% less space than today's versions. They'll be able to handle high-throughput fleet needs without eating up valuable real estate. But Tesla didn't stop there. They've added EPTO, electric power takeoff. This innovation lets the Semi power additional equipment like refrigerated trailers, hydraulic systems, or even construction gear, without needing a separate diesel generator. It's a small feature with massive implications. It eliminates emissions from auxiliary power systems, cuts down on maintenance, and brings Tesla one step closer to a fully electrified logistics ecosystem. So how's the Semi doing in the wild? Tesla says their test fleet has logged over 7.9 million miles. Within that total, 26 individual trucks have each surpassed the 100,000-mile mark. PepsiCo, one of the first major customers, is already deploying them, and the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Drivers love the smooth ride, the torque, and the tech. Some have even done back-to-back 1,000-mile days. For a new entrant in the heavy-duty space, that's a major win. The numbers back it up too. Tesla's electric drivetrain reportedly runs at 85 to 90% efficiency. Diesel engines? Typically just 20 to 30%. That's not just a better option, it's a revolution in cost savings and environmental impact. So what's next? Tesla isn't just building a truck. They're building an entire ecosystem to support it. Overnight chargers for fleet hubs, public Megawatt stations across key logistics routes, a dedicated service team, and a tech stack that keeps everything running with the same reliability and uptime we've come to expect from Tesla's supercharger network. This isn't a concept anymore, it's a movement. After years of delays, uncertainty, and quiet development, it looks like the Tesla Semi is finally ready to hit the road. And this time, it's not just trying to catch up. It's looking to lead the pack and possibly change the entire game.